The future is electric. From cars and consumer gadgets to renewable energy storage, the demand for the batteries just keeps growing. These energy storage devices have become the backbone of our modern world, paving the world to the more sustainable, electrified future. If we talk about today, lithium-ion batteries are top of the line across various markets. But with demand for critical minerals, supply is starting to fall behind. This imbalance, along with rising cost and mounting energy security concern, is driving companies and nations to look hard at alternative battery materials. Up until now, lithium has been the primary ingredient in electric car batteries. But it's got its own challenges. First, it's difficult, and second, it's costly to produce. Now enters salt, or you can say sodium, a widely available and affordable alternative to lithium. Thanks to its abundance, sodium has the potential to transform the electric vehicle industry, offering a breakthrough solution to the battery dilemma. Welcome to Simple Technology channel. In today's video, we will dive into sodium-ion batteries, explore China's new CATL battery, and discuss the impact it's having on lithium producers in Latin America. We will also take a look at how sodium-ion batteries are made, what other countries are doing about it, and what the future holds. So let's jump right in. Sodium-ion versus lithium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion batteries and lithium-ion batteries have a similar design, which means they can be made using similar method. Both generate electricity through chemical reactions and have key components like anode, cathode, separator, and electrolyte. The main difference is that in the sodium-ion batteries, lithium ions are swapped out for the sodium ion in cathode, and lithium salts in the electrolyte are replaced with sodium salts. So what's different does it make? This shift opens up possibility for sodium-ion batteries to offer a promising alternative to lithium-ion, taking advantage of abundant sodium resources while keeping the same design and manufacturing process. Now talking about the lithium, it is a super light element which has become essential in the battery technology, powering everything from our daily gadgets to electrical vehicles. But extracting it is not easy feat, as the methods varies depending on its sources. Right now, Australia, Chile, and China are the top lithium producers, with China leading the charge in battery production. As the demand for the battery capacity rises, driven by the growth of smartphones, laptops, electrical vehicles, and the need to store energy from the sources like wind and solar power, the search for the alternative battery solutions like the salt-based batteries is becoming more urgent in the quest for sustainable energy storage. So here comes the sodium, which sits next to the lithium on periodic table, making them chemically similar. But unlike lithium, sodium is far more abundant and cost-effective. While it is still early to say, but the sodium-ion batteries market is expected to exceed about $11 billion by the year 2033. Of course, sodium-ion batteries might not yet compete with the lithium-ion batteries in electric vehicle race, but here they offer clear advantages. First, they do not rely on critical materials like cobalt, copper, lithium, and graphite, which are mainly controlled by China, which will definitely reduce the dependency on these raw materials. Second is, sodium-ion batteries could boost supply and cut cost, making them more attractive option. So in short, we can say that the relying solely on the lithium is not enough. We need to explore all alternatives, including sodium-ion batteries. Sodium is 1,000 times more abundant than the lithium and comes at a much lower cost. As early 2024, sodium carbonate is priced around $290 per metric ton, while batteries grade lithium carbonate cost over $13,000 per metric ton. Additionally, sodium-ion batteries do not rely on precious materials like cobalt and nickel, unlike lithium batteries do. Sodium is common and can be found in abundant quantities all around the world. It's essentially just a table salt. This widespread availability means sodium-ion batteries are not limited by geographical constraints, making them a more versatile and sustainable solution for global energy storage. Chinese CATL battery. In year 2021, China's CATL, the world's leading battery maker, made a bold move into sodium-ion technology. By the year 2023, they were already supplying salt batteries to Chinese automaker Chery. More recently, a JAC Group UE e-car model has gained attention. Why? Because with its report suggesting that some of its vehicles are powered by sodium batteries. Why detailed data on their widespread use is still unclear. This development indicates that small electrical cars powered by sodium batteries might already be operating in some Chinese cities. These advancements highlight China's swift progress in embracing alternative energy storage solutions in the automotive industry. Impact on Latin America. The rise of sodium-ion batteries raises question about the future of major lithium producers like Chile, Bolivia, and Argentina, which are known as Lithium Triangle, which hold about 53% of the world's lithium reserve. As the sodium-ion technology gains traction, it could impact these countries' control over the lithium market. However, it's important to note that the lithium remains crucial for many other industries such as pharmaceutical and ceramics. The shift to the alternative battery technology may not fully reduce lithium demand, especially given the establishment, infrastructure, and expertise in lithium extraction. Nevertheless, the growth of the sodium-ion batteries is diversifying energy storage options and emphasizes the need for lithium-rich countries to adapt the shifting market trends. Production of sodium-ion batteries. Making a sodium-ion battery involves several key steps. First, a bright blue powder is converted into a slurry and then coated onto aluminum foil. This coated foil is dried into a large machine and compressed using another machine. Any excess material is trimmed away with a laser cut. Afterward, the produced components are assembled and placed into a hermetically sealed glove box, where the electrolytes are mixed into a controlled environment. Finally, the batteries undergo testing to ensure their quality and performance. One of the major advantages of sodium-ion batteries is their ability to endure more cycles, meaning they can be used, recharged, and reused more times than lithium-ion batteries. Other countries. Despite its early stage, sodium-ion technology is quickly gaining attractions, and experts are predicting a bright future for it. Also, companies are working hard to ramp up production to meet the rising demand of these new batteries. One such company is Feridian, a UK-based firm which was founded in the year 2011. So what's new about it? Its innovation approach that had caught the attention of the major industry players, and in year 22, India's Reliance Industries acquired Feridian for $135 billion. This acquisition is a major move for the Reliance, a company whose portfolio spans the world's largest oil refinery to the strong commitment to the renewable energy. With its presence in telecom, retail, and more, Reliance's purchase of the Feridian highlights its bold push toward the sustainable solution. Reliance's vast resources and captive demand significantly boost the potential of sodium-ion technology, creating numerous opportunities for its application in India. From powering delivery vehicles to supporting telecom infrastructure, the synergy between the Reliance existing operations and Feridian cutting-edge technology opens up the immense possibility for the future of energy solution. Feridian's sodium-ion battery features a cathode made from a mix of sodium layer oxide, including sodium, nickel, magnesium, manganese, titanium, and oxygen. The anode is composed of durable carbon, sourced from minerals like coconut shell and other biomass. Feridian's initial focus is on energy storage market, targeting a range of applications such as providing backup powers for telecom infrastructure and storing excess energy from renewable sources. like wind and solar. These solutions can be deployed both at the grid-scale facilities and individual homes, offering a versatile approach to energy management. The company is also expanding into the low-speed electric vehicles, including electric bikes, scooters, rickshaws, and even heavy machinery such as forklift, which will open up the diverse opportunity for its battery technology. Viridien made a significant milestone in the year 2022 by installing sodium-ion batteries for the energy storage in Australia. The company claims its batteries are already a strong alternative to the lithium iron phosphate technology, showcasing their competitive edge in the growing energy storage sector. Additionally, Viridien is building an R&D facility in the UK and expanding production with the factories in India to continue developing and scaling its technology. Another innovative approach founded in 2012 in Santa Clara, California is Natron Energy, which is a key player in sodium-ion technology. What sets Natron apart is its use of sodium-rich material in Persian blue pigment, a unique foundation that holds great promise for the advancement of the sodium-ion batteries. In Natron's battery cells, the cathode is made from the sodium-rich iron material, while the anode is composed of manganese-rich sodium material. The significant advantage of sodium-ion technology is that it can be manufactured using existing lithium-ion batteries plant, offering a streamlined path for scaling production. The future. There are a number of car manufacturers that have already announced plans to incorporate sodium-ion batteries into their electric vehicles. As of now, China with lithium-ion technology is leading the way in adopting sodium-ion batteries. Out of 20 sodium battery factories worldwide, 16 are currently in China. Also, China's dominance in existing lithium-ion supply chain presents a risk as it seems to be exerting in the sodium-ion supply chain as well, especially with the growing production capacity of the sodium-ion cells. However, most experts believe sodium-ion batteries will complement rather than replace lithium-ion technology. They could help ease some of the supply constraints faced by the lithium-ion batteries. As we have already discussed that sodium-ion technology shows promise, but there are still uncertainties about its widespread use in the mainstream passenger vehicles. In the future, we might see a lower-cost sodium-ion alternatives. Maybe it might not have the same range as lithium-ion, but it will be more affordable. Here, experts have prediction that where lithium-ion phosphate batteries are used, sodium-ion may start to take market share. You may say that for now lithium-ion batteries have been ahead of sodium-ion by a couple of decades, but we can clearly say that the sodium-ion will gain market share gradually in the foreseeable future. Like any new technology, success will depend on scaling up production, which sodium-ion battery manufacturers have not yet achieved. Gaining mass market penetration will be one of the biggest hurdles, especially given the rapid growth of the battery market. But we are optimistic about the future. Thank you for joining us today. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. It really helps our channel to grow. Do not forget to hit the notification bell for more thoughts-provoking content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.